You're welcome back. In this video, let us understand how to update the records. So we already seen like how to delete records, how to insert, how to retrieve the data to the grid view. But here we'll how to make changes. What are the data existing? How do we make the changes to the data? And this is the part 6 of series VB.NET project. You can learn like how to make the VB.NET. And first time if you are watching this in our channel, so we suggest you please watch from the part 1, so therefore you can understand the whole concept how to make the complete project. So all the links are provided in the description. Please check out the description. And now let's learn update record. And update statement is an SQL statement. So we need to learn all the SQL statement thoroughly. Then only it's easy for us to write the complete project. So we'll focus here now. Let's learn update statement. That is a SQL statement. So now we are in Visual Studio 2019. So in the previous videos, I already shown like how to make the project. So we already done the college management, and this we are the course form. And in the last class, we learned like how to delete the records. Now we want to modify it. So in order to modify, we record one more button. I'll copy this button and I'll paste. So one more button is created. So now card is as a update. So when you click update, what are the changes we done? It should be updated. Fine. So we already know like how to bring the data to the grid view. And in the last class, we discussed the cell click event, cell content click. When you click on the content, so we create a event. In this, we selecting the data from the table for the particular record, and then we are transferring to the text box and the comma box. And then when you click this, we are using the delete statement to delete the record. Now we'll do the update. So anyhow, you have to click the content, then the data will come back and make the changes and click the update. Now this is the update button. Now almost this code will do the job, so therefore I can copy the complete code here. So then I'll paste it over here. So all the code, okay. So therefore now you have to modify this delete statement. So you have to learn update statement, how the update statement work. So let me explain you the update statement first. So I'll take this table only, course table. Now in this course table, so we have 3 columns. Right, so then you can have multiple rows. So this is a column for name, there is a course name. This is for details, this is for semesters. Right, so now we have a data here, so let's say BE. So this is Bachelor of Engineering and 8 semesters. So these are the row 1, okay, and this is the row 2. Now whenever we want to make some changes here, we need to based on some key, okay. Now based on this key, we want to make some changes. Therefore is the course name is the main key. So now if you talk about the SQL, that is a structured query language. So here are 3 important statements. One is insert, update, and then delete. So we already seen like how to do the insert and then delete. Now is the update statement. The query is concerned, query, select is the query. That is a select statement. But update is the manipulation statement. Let us learn how to do the update. So we have to say this is the course table. So you have to say update table name. That is a course table. RAC course table. So then you have a set keyword. Set what column you want to change. So you want to make the semester. Okay. So therefore, so here is duration. So actually column name is the duration. So that is equal to what duration. So the value has to come here. And if you give only these two line, then all the records in the table will be updated. So therefore we don't want all the records. Therefore it use the where condition. Where course name is equal to course name. So what is the value? So that is a general syntax for the update statement. Same we're going to use in the coding. Okay, so let's write update. So there is update. There is no new keyword from. So just update table name. Then you have to use the set keyword. So what you want to do, for example, you want to change the details. Okay, so course name you don't want to change, but you want to change the details and the duration. So therefore you can write details, that is equal to, now the details is available in the text box too, therefore single quote, double quote, then ampersand sign, text box 2 dot text. So where the details values are stored, and then you get single quote. Because both the sides you require a quote, this is a varchar. If it's a number, no need of the single quote. But if it's a string and date, for both is required a single quotes on both the sides. Then comma, so then you have to say duration. So that is equal to single quote, double quote, ampersand, that is a combo box 1 dot text. Whatever the value in the combo box, that should take. So therefore there is a text, then ampersand, double quote, single quote. And then you have to give the where condition, where course name is equal to pkvar. Whatever the pkvar we given, that means when you click the grid, the value is already transferred to pk variable. So according to that, it should, for that particular course, it should change the details and the duration. Okay, now you can say that record updated. We'll save all the code, whatever the code now we written. Now let's run this. So now you can see that we'll change, okay, one more course. I say diploma. So assume I enter 8. Okay, I entered some dummy data. So here is a diploma. Now, so diploma, we want to make changes here. Let's say 3 years course after 10th. And here it's a 6 semester. Okay. So now if I click update, it should be update here. So you can see 8 is there. That should change to 6. So click update, record updated. So you can see diploma, it becomes 6. Now next time when I click diploma, so you can see that 3 years course. The details, 3-year course after 10. So that is comes. Okay, previously you have some dummy data, that is gone, it's changed. Now BSc, Bachelor of Science, 3-year course. So you can say update. So now record is updated. So click another record and go to BSc. So you get 3 years course, it will there. So that's how we can update the records. What are the data is already there, that we can able to update. Even your course name also you can update here, but for that again you need to add one more column and the corresponding value. Right. So therefore update is very important. Even SQL statements are very important. So please browse in our channel. So we have separate videos for this. You go to iBlitz tutorials, then videos, and if you scroll down, so we explain like how to install Visual Studio, and also we have videos to like learn SQL statements. So particularly insert, update, delete, all with examples is already shown over here. So please watch these videos also, and also watch like login form, MDA form. So a lot of videos are there. So please watch them, and also please subscribe to our channel. So your subscription definitely help us to improve our videos, the quality of the videos, and we can bring you more videos. And then please suggest our channel to your friends. That will also help us. Okay. Thank you very much.